Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to change Wi-Fi now. Grab your phone, confirm the thermostat is powered, and know the network name and password. First, open the Google Home or Nest app and sign in. The app is faster for most models. Then, wake the Nest display and tap settings to check current network status so you know you're changing the right connection. Once done, choose the thermostat device in the app and tap the gear or settings icon to begin the network change process. You'll now switch networks. In the app, select the thermostat and open device settings, then tap network or Wi-Fi. The thermostat or app scans available SSIDs. Pick the new network name and type the password carefully because it's case sensitive. If you're working directly on the Nest display, navigate to Settings right arrow Network and follow the prompts. While it connects, the Nest verifies DHCP and gateway settings. Make sure your router allows new clients. If prompted, confirm location and any Google account permissions to finalize the change. Finish by confirming the Nest reports connected in settings, and then test remote control from your phone to ensure cloud access works. If it doesn't connect, reboot the thermostat by removing power or using the restart option, then power cycle the router. Once restarted, try the network setup again. If you still see failures, make sure the router is using WPA2 or compatible security, verify DHCP client limits aren't reached, and move the router closer temporarily. That single troubleshooting step, power cycle, and reattempt fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.